how to turn off or on show notification when connecting headphones on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click hub, and after that click these three lines in the top corner and in settings. And once you're here, all you need to do just go to you need to find here this one, app settings, and then you need to find this one, show notification when connecting headphones. Now you can turn it off or on just by one click, and I hope that can help you. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.